Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze forecast next week gold forecast for you and next week gold trading. So you can join with my Telegram link is below gold trading community and make good profit. So this is the daily chart gold. You can see the last 5 days daily candle. This daily candle shows the buyers is still interesting to buy gold. So buyers dominant in last week. So this is the last 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So green candles you can see still green candle is still buyers interesting to buy gold. So main reason is the geopolitical uncertainty. So last Friday NFP data not was not released. So this is the second month NFP data was not released, and this is the uncertainty, geopolitical uncertainty with the US government shutdown is still continuing as the fifth week. So US government shutdown is still continuing. Is the Donald Trump is still firing to tariffs, and the uncertainty is there. So that's the main reason for so this green candles last 3 days. So buyers it is still interesting to buy gold. So this uncertainty continuing next week also, gold price can be pushed to the upside 4150 can be a next target. If this geopolitical uncertainty continuing, gold price can be pushed to the upside like this. So this is the Tuesday red candle. You can see this candle is the fake candle. So more traders I think this is the sellers that are interesting to sell gold. So selling continuing. So more sellers are that the dead in the Wednesday. This is the not the real candle. This is the breakout. This is the three green candles in last 3 days. That's the bias is still dominant. Is the buy gold push to the upside. So next week important economic data is the CPI yearly report, CPI monthly report. 3% is the current inflation report in USA, but the Forex factory not shows the forecast data. That's the interesting things. So that's the uncertainty. This data will be released or not. That's the PPI data on Friday. So CPI not released, PPI not released. That is the market uncertainty, geopolitical uncertainty. So that can be gold pushed to the upside. 3% is the CPI current rate in the USA CPI yearly report. So this report is the next week, but there's uncertainty this report release or not. If not release this report, that's the uncertainty is grabbed to the market and gold price again pushed to the upside. So that's the US government shutdown is still continuing as the fifth week. So there's interesting I like to tell you, this is the Fed Watch Tool website. So next FOMC meeting you can see the 33% above 30% rate post price into the market. This I was mentioned this last week also. So last week this figure is the 27 figure, 27 now 33. So this increase to 40 50 like this rate post price into the market, that will help to dollar strength and gold drop to the below side. So you should touch with the what is the rate post price into the market in next FOMC meeting December. So last FOMC meeting also Jerome Powell with the hawkish tone, and that will help to gold drop to the below side. So this interesting things is how the rate pause price into the market or rate cut price into the market in next FOMC meeting December. So this is the 4-hour chart. Let's see the what is the technically interesting levels for your gold trading next week. So simple technical things I am like to tell you. This is the resistance. This is the primary school technical analysis. This is a simple. You can't get the trade with the support resistance. This is just the technical levels. So this is the resistance level and this is the support level is the below. This is 3920 is the support level. So 4030 is the resistance level. This is a simple technical analysis. So price is still ranging in these two levels. Last week you can see several times tested this level, resistance level, but not breakout is still 4030-40 level. So this is the more liquidity in this area. So with the geopolitical uncertainty continuing next week, so gold price can be break out this level and push to the upside. So you can see price ranging in this area. 4150 can be target. So like this, breakout and retest, and you have a buy opportunity, but you should wait for the buy. So you should see the price action in this area, candlestick actions and price actions. You should see price can be collect liquidity like this, breakout and again drop. This is the liquidity collection area like this. So that's the two scenarios can be happen next week. So you should wait for the buy this area. So if the US government shutdown will be positive in next week, price can be drop, and otherwise price can be again pushed to the 4150 is the next resistance level. That's the scenarios can be happen next week gold trading. So I think you useful to this technical analysis and fundamental analyze my videos weekly for your gold trading. If not breakout, so below is the support level, 3900 is the next support level is the below. So that's the can be happen two scenarios like this. So sorry, so let's see the what will happen. So this area's price section, so 4040 4030 areas price action is the interesting next week gold trading. So you should touch with these price sections in this area. So that's the 4-hour chart, technically important technical level. So I'm going to the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. You can see last week interesting weekly candle. So you can see the green candle in last week. This is the we call spinning top candle. So if you know the candlestick reading, that's more support for the trading. So this candle is the spinning top. So this candle has two types. So can be red, can be green. Red means the bearish, and the green means the bullish. So bias interesting that this candle shows. Bias is still interesting in this area to buy gold. So last week weekly candle that shows. So can be bias again push to their buy gold next week. Also can be again green candle can be happen in next week like this, or this can be happen again green candle can be created in next week also, because of last week candle shows the bias is still interesting to buy gold. So this can be created, this candle next week can be green candle. So let's see what will happen. You can join with my Telegram, link is below. Always updating gold trading fundamental and technically analysis. So thank you very much.